Oh my word, babe. Oh.
Is it coming off?
No. It's time for your natural skin remedy. It's called turmeric mask.
This may be my only chance to escape.
Why would you put this on my face? I've got beautiful skin, soft like a baby.
I know, which is good.
I thought 50 was the new 30.
I added some turmeric powder.
At this point, I was starting to feel a bit apprehensive about my choices.
And a teaspoon of milk.
Are you gonna make curry?
I am making curry paste, putting it on your face.
I'm worried.
I've mixed a lot of materials.
So how are you gonna get this off my face once you put it on?
So
are you gonna
bright.
power wash it off my face?
Stuff is so bright, you guys. Check this stuff out.
I'm gonna be orange. I'm gonna be some orange face fruit drink. Thank you very much.
You have to do it.
You're not even giving any instructions. Don't put it in my eyes, you'll burn them out. It's freaking turmeric.
Where did she get these masochistic tendencies from? Must be all those episodes of Seinfeld.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna look like a weirdo. I'm gonna have an orange
I
face.
think we need to put it like a whole full mask.
Meanwhile, I'll focus on my happy place.
This is getting
Dropping it on the floor.
Yeah, well, I have to add a little bit more.
Because you're playing around instead of doing it correctly. I can't open my eyes because I get my eyes
This
burned out.
stuff is very
I'm
good.
a blind.
This, holy cannoli, this stuff is strong.
Yeah, no kidding, it's on my face.
Holy crap.
She's as happy as a dental assistant on nitrous.
No, don't get it in my eyeball.
I'm trying not to.
Walk down the street, hey, there's curry face. Look how orange his skin is.
You're gonna look
Hey, orange
like you
face,
have
2024. 2024, orange face.
You're gonna have.
Re-elect orange face, 2024.
It's time for jaundice.
Yeah, I guess so.
But this is an anti-inflammatory. This should actually.
Yeah, because I'm gonna look pretty flaming with this thing on.
How much more self-prescribed humiliation must I endure?
Yeah, welcome to my world. Are you done yet?
No, she's not even done.
That's why estheticians get paid so much.
I know.
Let me just say this. It's in your hair now.
Oh, I'm sure it is. Why wouldn't it be? It's probably all over the ground, on the floor, and on my shirt, on my face, and my hair, on my beard.
Okay, you're done. You're a masterpiece.
Are you ready to
Guys,
look?
what do you think?
Can I open my eyes or it
Yes,
won't
you
burn
can
them?
open your eye.
Will, 2024.
That is a new look.
It's new for me. It's not new for other people. These are the great things that you can do with turmeric. You can make this great mask. Antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, anti-aging, whatever. Stop touching me. Anyway, so there you go. It should be great. I don't know how I'm going to get it off my face now because I'm going to walk around orange probably for the next week and a half.
Come on, man.
You'll have an instant tan and glow.
That notion is unequivocally absurd.
Let me see.
Hurry up and get it off. It's not gonna come off. It didn't come off my hand. No, it's not coming off.
It's not coming off?
Slapping it all over this place.
Oh, you have a glow.
It's you. Thank you very much.
Thank you for watching our video. For more fun-filled videos from the Ranch Network, please feel free to binge watch our channel. Thanks again.